Welcome to my channel, Loic channel. We are making AC motor. DC motor.
Yeah.
And you don't know what DC motor beat with that? I'll show you. So, we have a battery and a copper wire and safety pins and scissors and red cell tape and a sharpener cutter, and we have a pen and a magnet. I'll show you that up I thought today when I did this. So next thing, it's okay. Let's start this. First, a battery on the top. And now, let's take the copper wire. Take this center and drag it down the way to the bottom. And switch. And the copper wire already, guys. Now we need to cut it. Now I'm taking my scissor. What's this? I'm keeping it center and lifting. It can lift in that big one. Now it's really cut it. Look at that. Like that. Okay, guys. Let's start this. Okay. First, we need to flap. Let's use the pen. First, switch on the corner carefully and switch slowly and switch it around, guys. And round it. Roundy, round, round. Roundy, round, round. Roundy, round, round. Roundy, 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 roundy. Roundy, 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 and check it out. Just like this. That's not to make it like that, guys.
Do you need any help, Loic?
No, guys. I can do it. Simple.
Try again.
And so now I'm rounding it up, guys, for it comes full round. Now it's all done. You know what magic will happen? Oh, I got it. It looks like a rose band. Now to pull it. Now, guys, my daddy's rolling it and stretching it and sharpening it.
Okay. What we need to do now, Loic?
I'll open it carefully. This much stuff, okay?
What we need to do?
To sharpen.
We have to make one side only
One.
3 hit. 1, 2, 3. Another side we have to make hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means hole clearly. Okay.
Now it's all done, guys. Up the battery. Now let's keep the safety clips. Let's keep one and says like this. And use the sellotape. You can help stop. And stick it on this one. That looks better. And here will be another one.
You need the help?
Wait, there's no problem. I need my scissor. Don't. How's we off? Ta-da! How's we off? Now, I need to cut this board. Get off on there. Let's keep it on there. It's off. Now, let's keep this on the corner. And now, let's set it. Okay, guys, to cut it off out. Now he's off. Now let's cut this bottom. That's all over. Now let's do the other side. Okay, use the scissor and cut it on the west part. Right, we cut, guys. Now it's all done, guys. Now, first is a magnet. Keep it center it like that. Center it. And first keep this on the corner. Oh, it's my neck. I need to go around this planet. The battery. And it looks like the one. Okay, now let's cut that off. Let's do cut, guys. Now it's all ready. This is, guys, ready. Now let's keep the spinner. Plus, do a reset with grease. With grease. I'm using my towel to flap it up. Now let's pull it in and ta-da! Can you cut this bottom off? Can you cut that bottom off? Not so done, guys. Just keep it a little bit in. Guys, now, oh, sorry guys, it came out by itself. Now it's all done. Now, oh guys, we stop. We forgot. Just need to be here, just need to be here. Now we're ready to start this game. One, just two, this side.
Say, please subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. That is cool, guys. Try that in home. Subscribe to my channel.